Today's video we're going to learn how to do a classic fondant potato, but the difference is we're going to finish it off in the air fryer. So let's cook. And then you want to take the bottom off. There. Round again. There. Now these are square, well, we're going to do triangle fondant potatoes. So these are going to be different than just round ones that are the traditional potato. You will get a few scraps and waste, you can use them. It's up to you. Down. We've got two halves there. Same with the other one. Straight down again. Two halves. Angles of potato that are going to be used for fondant potatoes. You can do them round, square, it's up to you. The traditional one is round. And we're going to need some fresh thyme. We're going to need some garlic, fresh garlic, and we're going to need some butter, any butter of your choosing. Potato up. We've got a non-stick pan here, and then we're going to use a little bit of herb oil so we can get that flavour in the potato. You can use clarified butter, you can use butter, it's completely up to you. What we're going to do is we're going to colour the bottom of the potato. So we're going to turn it up so it really colours the bottom of that potato. There we are. And just pop them in. The potato is colouring up nicely, it's golden brown. I'm going to go a little bit darker on the potato. You can see there's a really nice other side. So we're crisping up the other side as well. Turn it over nicely. There we are. Now, if you think it's burning or getting too brown, it's all about the control of the stove. And don't forget, we're going to finish these off in the air fryer. And they're a really good accompaniment for any dish. They're nice, buttery, and they've got a lovely potato taste with the salt, the rosemary, the thyme. It's beautiful. They're just nicely browning up. Next step is we're going to add some butter. So we're going to give that a nice buttery flavour. And we're also going to add some rosemary and thyme. We've got some fresh thyme here. I'm going to put that in. You're going to hear it pop slightly. I'm going to put a bit of garlic in. It's going to give it that lovely garlic rosemary flavour. So you can see it's got the garlic, the thyme, the rosemary in, and it's just bubbling. Potato, the rosemary, the thyme and the garlic in there and the butter, and we're just going to make up a chicken stock. So you want a bit of water, warm water, and a chicken stock cube. We're going to mix that up. Some people just do it with butter, some people do it with chicken stock or vegetable stock. It's completely up to you. Potatoes from the pan to the oven proof dish, and we're going to finish them off in the air fryer. Don't forget to put all that butter and that garlic in with the potato. You stock into your oven proof dish, pop it in the air fryer. I'm going to do this on 190 for 20 to 30 minutes, but I'm going to keep checking them. I'm going to set that for 20 minutes, 180, and check them. They've also got a little bit of thyme in. They've got butter and they've got stock in as well. These are the air fryer fondant potatoes, really easy to do. We've got some lovely thyme in there as well. And they're just simple, just finished off in the air fryer. Try these today and follow the recipe. Thank you very much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the community. These are the air fryer fondant potatoes.